Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for application series that is running into my channel. So friends, in my previous video I have showed you how to use the VBA code to count only the even numbers into the message box, and today in this video we are going to learn about a new step of for loop that will count the numbers in a reverse form. So at first go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, or you know that we can go through the Alt and F11 key pressing from your keyboard. So here we need to write our code like this: sub, following your sub procedure name. I am naming it as for each underscore countdown underscore reverse, right? Now you can find the download link into the description box. I will give it there, please check that. Hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now we need to declare our variable by using dim n, and the type of our variable will be as integer, right? Hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now we are going to use the for loop for n equals to 10 to 1 step. We are going to use the step -1 to reverse this countdown, right? Now hit the enter button, come to the next line of n. To indent your code, type msg box space n, hit enter, come to the next line of for. Here type next n, hit enter. Now type msg box and type a message into the double quote, write it's over, right? Hit the enter button, come to the next line. Now your code has been completed successfully. Now if we run our code by going through developer tab, click on macros, highlight that code we just created and run that code. Look at here, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. That means this code actually runs successfully, right? So hopefully you are enjoying my VBA code series. Please share these videos with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.